there, finance enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's shaking up the financial world as we know it. Decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. So, buckle up as I take you on a journey through the evolution of DeFi in finance. Imagine a world where financial transactions are not controlled by banks or traditional financial institutions. That's the promise of DeFi. DeFi uses blockchain technology to create an open, transparent, and permissionless financial system. But wait, let me break it down for you. First off, DeFi is all about decentralization. Unlike traditional finance, which relies on centralized entities like banks, DeFi operates on blockchain networks like Ethereum. This means no single entity has control. Instead, it's governed by smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about the evolution. The concept of decentralized finance began to take shape around 2017 with the launch of various decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps started offering services like lending, borrowing, and trading without needing a middleman. Users could interact directly with the financial protocols through their crypto wallets. One of the key milestones in DeFi's journey was the rise of decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Unlike traditional exchanges, DEXs allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another. No intermediaries, no hassles. Uniswap, for example, became a game changer in this space, providing liquidity pools where users can earn rewards. But DeFi didn't stop there. Yield farming and liquidity mining became the buzzwords. These are strategies where users can earn returns on their crypto holdings by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols. It's like earning interest, but often with much higher yields. And it gets even more intriguing with DeFi's impact on banking. Traditional banks usually require a lot of paperwork and time to process loans. DeFi platforms, on the other hand, offer instant loans with no credit checks. Ever heard of flash loans? These are ultra-short-term loans that must be repaid within the same transaction. They're opening up new possibilities for arbitrage and trading strategies. So how is DeFi changing finance? For starters, it's making financial services more accessible. Anyone with an internet connection can participate. It's also promoting financial inclusion, giving people in underserved regions access to financial tools. And with transparency and reduced costs, DeFi is challenging the traditional financial system to evolve. In summary, DeFi is more than just a trend. It's a financial revolution that's democratizing access to financial services. As this space continues to grow, who knows what innovations we'll see next. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the world of finance. See you next time.